Hi all, here's some help for your Vocabulary 2 second week vocabulary quiz. What you are going to see is your vocabulary word and a picture that corresponds with it that will hopefully help you better understand the vocabulary word. So number 1, we have intrastate, and you can notice we have the state of Wisconsin and the state bird and so on and so forth within the state. So that is intrastate. Our second word is going to be intravenous, and we talked about how intravenous means to be within the vein, and so we have our IV there. So intravenous. Word number 3 is interplay. We have our hockey team here, and interplay means a back and forth action. So if you could think of the two teams going back and forth to try and get the goal, that is interplay. Next vocab word is intramural, and we talked about being a part of a school team or a club, and so we have our basketball player, intramural. Our next word is intermittent, and we chose a rain cloud here because the rain can start and stop. Just like the word intermittent means that something stops and starts at intervals. This picture represents intermediary, and an intermediary is a person who acts as a go-between. So we have a person trying to make it up the stairs, and somebody is helping them to get between the floor and that top step. Interject is our next vocabulary word, and if you are interjecting, you're inserting between two other things. So if you think of a judge who is trying to break up an argument in the courtroom, he would be interjecting. Here's a pretty easy one. This word for this week is interlaced, and we have our shoelaces that are lacing together. The definition that you will want to look for is to be intermixed. Here's our intercom, and this one should be pretty easy, a device for communicating between two rooms. And our last word for this week is interrogate. If you think of a lawyer going up against the opposing side, he is going to interrogate the client. That's it for this week. Good luck. This week we have my all-time favorite brewer, JJ Hardy, helping us with our extra credit for our mugshot quiz. This week we are going to focus on introductory clauses. An introductory clause are dependent clauses that provide background information or set the stage for the main part of the sentence, the dependent clause. For example, if they want to win, athletes must exercise every day. Notice the underlined section, if they want to win. That is going to be our introductory clause. Introductory clauses start with the adverbs like after, although, as, because, before, if, like our sample sentence, since, though, until, when, etc. Important notice at the bottom, if you take a look at our sample sentence, if they want to win is followed by a comma. You want to make sure that you include a comma after the introduction. Good luck on your quiz!